Lightning cables were ahead of their time. When Apple released the iPhone 5 in 2012, it was the first device ever to support a cable that is easy to slide in, regardless of its orientation. Apple's Lightning cable was the first of its kind, but when USB-C came out in 2015, Apple refused to switch, since switching means losing a lot of money. Because if you want to buy a Lightning cable, you have two options. You buy it directly from Apple, or buy it from a third-party manufacturer. And those manufacturers can't sell Lightning cables without paying Apple a licensing fee. But thanks to the EU, Apple was forced to switch to USB-C with the iPhone 15.